Here is the last and the final step of this exhaustive procedure. It looks exhaustive. I must say that it's, if you do it right, it will not be exhaustive when you do it. And do it in chunks, right? Like, as you can see here, when we had to do Perio, we didn't do the entire subject. It can be very overwhelming if you were to do it like that. So you divide it into phases, right? So these are our 4 phases of working for Perio. We made sure that we did the first basic volume, we made it perfect. Then we went to the second volume, then we make it perfect, then go to the third volume, so that it's not just overwhelming for you, but for the entire team, because there are so many people involved in this process. Okay, so what are the responsibilities after the book is ready? Obviously it would be nice to review the entire book and identify that, okay, is this how I want to divide the volumes? Sometimes we've seen that once you look at the entire bird's eye view of the entire thing, you'll be like, okay, can this chapter come into this part, this chapter into this part, whatever it is. Final reviewing needs to be done at this stage, that I'm 100% sure that my volumes are going to come out like this. Okay. Yeah, obviously there should be relevant volumes based on related topics, ensuring logical flow and ease of navigation. So if you're putting a particular topic in that volume, it should make sense for the student also. At the same time, we want to tell you that even if like we are printing just one tiny volume, we are making sure that we are telling the student which volume a particular chapter is in. So like this will be in volume 3, this will be in volume 4. We've already mentioned that over here, so that he knows that, okay, if I'm finding a particular topic, it's there in another volume and I will get it there. Okay, and there should be a summary for each volume, like the indexing basically is what needs to be decided, because this is exactly what we are going to use in the index, which means that in the beginning only on your Excel sheet, you should name the topics according to what you want on your index, right? If you write like long topics, it's not possible for us to put it on the index. So indexing has to be decided at this stage. You should go through the index, you should see whether, the flow of the topics is making sense. Launch obviously is like very close to our heart, because we would be launching it on various platforms on our app as printed books, and we'd also be having a lot of marketing videos in order to ensure that the book reaches the right target audience. um, so yeah, submit the list of volumes and the content to the project manager as soon as possible, so that they can prepare that, okay, now since the book is ready, what to do with it. Sending it to the printer, making sure that the logistics are fine, making sure that the quality of the print is good, making sure it reaches the customer on time is all the responsibility that we at MediStudyGo will take. And all your beautiful books will reach out to the target audience. Another thing that I want to say at this stage is that we write our stories of the author. So, the reason that you probably said yes to our project is because deep down you also feel the need to resonate with what we're doing. So, there is one page that's completely dedicated to the author, and we'd like to put out your story, right? I'm sure everybody has a reason of why we are doing something like this. So, one entire page with a beautiful story, with what you've done, what you've gone through in your career, will be all put out as one page on the book. Yeah. Timelines. Talking about the timelines, we use Google Calendar to make sure that you get like proper days for the task. So for example, if we need to release a book on a certain day, we will go backwards and we'll tell you that, see, by this date all your content and design and everything should be done, or by so and so date the next step should be done. So we follow the calendar in order to ensure that the team has enough time to do the work, and to ensure that we give the best end result at the end of the book. So timelines are very important. If you need any like long leaves, or you're not able to cope up with the timelines we've given you, we'd expect you to let us know, so that we can find a solution to that. So 12 days before the launch date of the respective volume, we will need in order to do all the other logistics, and any important areas, etc., NEET exam, everything needs to be proofread at least 2 days before that 12-day launch is there. Obviously we'll tell you about all the launch dates for your particular subject, but we need to ensure that these dates are in place so that the entire team functions well. Yeah. So we have a design head, Dr. Farzana, who's also the chief operating officer and the head of vision. Make sure that all page numbers are there, all the design elements are correct, everything is visually readable. Any sort of, like, she has an attention to detail, like her eye goes to every nook and corner of the page. So before the book releases, we make sure that we have proper design check, again, which is done by her. We need to give her enough time, at least 2 days for each volume of the book that you're releasing, so that she can give in her best in order to make your book look very aesthetically pleasing. Final check, marketing, printing, customer support, as I said, will be taken care by us. Yeah, thank you so much for being patient till the end of all of these videos. I am sure that you have a lot of doubts. Please reach out to us and we'll be there to help you. Thank you.